Let's introduce Miss Zena, a Samsung phone user who lives in Glendora. Few days ago, her phone suddenly slipped from her hand and the screen got damaged. She was devastated and looking for professionals to replace the damaged screen. Meanwhile, one of her colleagues shared his experience with iTech Xpress. While searching them online, she found out that it is a certified Samsung phone repair service store in Glendora, famous for offering any kind of phone repair service efficiently. They have a team of trained, knowledgeable and experienced phone repair technicians to replace the cracked screen properly. And the best part is that they provide guaranteed Samsung phone repair service at affordable prices. So, without wasting her time, Miss Zena immediately dialed 626-777-4747 to schedule an appointment with their professionals. Once she visits their store, they return back the device in proper working condition within the same day. Now she is very happy and satisfied. Are you suffering from the same? Visit your nearby iTech Xpress store. For more details, browse through https://itechexpressinc.com/